Hey, good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. Welcome back to your social science class. Today we will be continuing with art history chapter 4, the first cities. So let's start. In our previous videos, we have discussed about the extent, sites of the Indus Valley civilization and the cities of the civilization. Today we are going to discuss about the occupations and crafts, the trade and the script of the Indus Valley civilization. So these are very interesting topics. Please listen to it very carefully. Occupations and crafts. In Indus Valley civilization, people followed different occupations. Main occupations of the people were farmers, weavers, potters, jewelers, metal workers, toy makers, stone cutters, seal makers, boat makers, masons means laborers, and traders. So these were the main occupation of the people during Indus Valley civilization. All activities like toy making, stone cutting, seal making, boat making, these all are also the craft activities that they used to do during that time. During this time, pottery making had reached an advanced stage. Beautiful reddish glazed pottery with different designs has been discovered. A large number of seals have also been discovered. Most of them are made of terracotta and are rectangular in shape. You can see in this image. They have animal figures and picture like signs on them. Craftsmen used different things like stone, shell, and metal to make beads, ornaments such as ring, necklaces, bracelets, bangles, and earrings. These ornaments and even terracotta toys like bullock carts, ships, boats, dolls, etc., these have been found at many sites. People during that time wore clothes made up of cotton and wool. Needles and buttons have also been discovered at many sites, which suggests that people even stitched their own clothes. Agriculture was also one of the main occupation of people during the Indus Valley civilization. People living in villages grew crops and reared cattle. Wheat and barley were the main crops. Rice, pulses, and mustard were also grown. People domesticated cattle, buffaloes, sheep, and goats. These animals were perhaps used for both purposes, milk and meat. Now, let us talk about the trade. As they have started growing crops and making so many craft items, so they started trading surplus goods and brought in goods that were in a short supply. So, they started doing importing and exporting of goods, which is also called trade activity. Many evidences of their trade with Central Asian countries like Mesopotamia, Iran, Afghanistan, Persia, and Oman were found. Copper, tin, gold, silver, and precious metals were brought from these countries. The overseas trade was perhaps carried on from Lothal, where a dockyard for ships has been found. A dockyard is a place, it is an area with equipments for maintaining and repairing of ships. The Indus script is the writing system developed by Indus Valley civilization, and it is the earliest form of writing known in the Indian subcontinent. This system of writing was pictographic as it had pictures like signs which represent certain words, ideas, and objects of the people. This writing has not yet been deciphered, means that despite of many attempts to convert this writing in normal language, it is still not converted. So, it is very difficult to understand it. Examples of Indus writing has been found on seals, potteries, bone, bangles, etc. This writing consists of symbols that you can see in this image. So these symbols form the script of the Indus Valley civilization. So today we have studied the different types of occupations and craft activities that were famous among the people of Indus Valley civilization, their trade relations with the Central Asian countries and the Indus script. So this is the home task that I have prepared for you. These are the two questions are there. First one is, what occupations and crafts did the Harappans practice? You have to write all the occupation and craft that they used to practice. Then second one, you have to write a short note on the trade of Harappans. Okay. If you still have any query, you can write to me in my comment box, but do mention your name and section. And if you liked my video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel also. And do press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you for watching, students. Take good care of yourself.